Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll to find sounds. Now let's scroll down again and tap on phone ringtone, and as you can see we've got this pop-out window with the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose, so we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. At the top of this list we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it and applying, of course, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And at the very bottom of this list we've got also Add Ringtone, which simply means that we can enter our own files, and if you will have anything, for example, downloaded, it will appear right here and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me go back to the pre-installed options, and basically all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one and let me maybe volume it down. And this is how it works. So just tap on it and then decide whether you like it or not. Okay, they are quite loud. So after picking the one you like to apply, so make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. As you can see, it is immediately applied right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.